We're bringing up the sound. We're getting, now, when you look at the camera, see that little green dot? That's what you're looking at up there.
Oh.
You're looking at that green dot up there. See?
Is it in the chick's tree?
No. This green dot right here. That's what you're looking at. That's where your eyes go.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
Are you blind as a bat?
No. I was looking in the middle of the camera because I saw a red dot over here.
Oh, okay. So we're recording, by the way.
Okay, good.
Okay. Hi, I'm Di with Sister Chicks Quilting, and I have got a fast, fun, easy Christmas present for you today using, look at this, selvedges. This is my, you guys want to see? True confessions. It's my selvage bin. Don't you love it? Because I do. All right, let me get these aside. So, I'm here with my sister-in-law, Wendy.
Hi.
And we decided we wanted to make a fun Christmas present for a few friends of ours. And I had this pattern. It's called So Warm and Cozy. The pattern is like that. But can you see what it is? It's a hot water bottle and it's filled with rice. I'm going to put the link for this pattern down below because in it is a template that you can put together like this. But I'm going to tell you what I did. And I don't know, you may like it, you may not. So let's start off, okay? The first thing I did was I printed the template and the first thing I did was to make a pattern out of the 4 different pieces of the template. It came on the fold, so I printed 4. I taped them together because I thought that would be the easiest for me. But I wasn't really into the kind of crazy look quilting, but I am into selvedges, as you know. So check this out. It's a selvage hot water bottle. Gosh, it's full of rice, so it's really stinking heavy. But this has got some of my most fave selvedges in, and it's pink. And I think my girlfriend that's getting this for Christmas is going to love, love, love it. Sorry, Mr. Engineer. Well, Wendy and I had fun with this, and we made a few extras. And she just finished sewing this one. Looks like she's making an aqua one now. So we made the pink one. Where's your Turner stick? Is that around here?
No.
Oh, I think this is enough. But look what she put together for another girlfriend. Ah, isn't that cute? It is rainbow selvedges. And I think it's fun. We just put pink on the back because that is what we had. So that's number 2. And then number 3, we decided to go a little noir, okay? So we don't have this one cut out yet, but this is all black, and it has a really nice bright pink stripe on it, which I think is so much fun. And it's going to make a fun bag. We don't know if we're going to put a pink back on it or a gray back, a dark gray back, because I have both. So we'll figure that out, but I'm not going to finish this one for the video. Let me tell you how easy it is to make these. Now, I bought this pattern so I could have the template. Could I have drawn this shape out? Absolutely. Anybody can draw this shape out. But I wanted to support the pattern maker. So I bought it, made my template from that. And you can do the same because I'm going to link in the description below the video. Click on the description and show more, and you will see the link for the video. So you'll see the link for the pattern, I apologize. So what I did was I put this on here, and look at, you're gonna think I'm crazy. But I was wasting all of these cute selvedges, and they're cute, aren't they, Wendy?
They're adorable.
Oh my gosh. Because we were picking ones out that say, measure twice, cut once, spirit animal, excite, instigate, inspire, sparkle, and shine. I mean, you want cute selvages, right?
I think there's one that says especially for you at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Right there in the
Oh,
corner.
yeah.
Or
Sincerely yours. Is that just darling? Sincerely yours. Right in the corner. Let me regress a little bit. Do you see how I have the selvages sewn on to a piece of backing? Well, if you want to know how to do that, I made a selvage spool quilt. And I am going to link that video in the description below, because that video goes into details about saving, cutting, and sewing selvages together so you can use them. And that's exactly what I did. So there you have everything that you need. But back to this sheet that we got all put together. It was so stinking cute. And I wanted to show more of the selvage. So look what I did. Can you see that I cut the pattern like this and then like this? And I laid a piece of paper in the middle, and it's just all taped up. I mean, it is a total mess. But, and it's kind of big. It's kind of the size of a regular hot water bottle. So what I did was I added an 1.25 inches on the length and 1.25 inches on the width of this pattern. I made it bigger than the regular pattern. You don't need to do that, but you can do whatever you want. And also, if you don't want to purchase the pattern, but I love supporting pattern makers. They work hard at their patterns. Buy the pattern. But if you're just going to draw one up, just draw one up. Okay, so that is what I did. Let me give you some pluses and minuses. Here's a minus. I'll start with a minus. Holy crap. This is a big rice bag.
It's a huge rice bag.
It's a huge rice bag. You can put your feet on it, you know. Michelle came in and she said, it's that time of the month rice bag. So I hope I didn't offend anybody, but anyway, it's a nice big rice bag. So I don't know how much rice is in here. I just kept putting scoops and scoops and scoops in until we had it filled. So
probably 5 pounds.
Probably 5 pounds. But yeah, the plus is you don't have to make it as big as I made it. Okay. And I think when I give it, I'm just going to I'm going to lay it flat and put a ribbon and a tag around the neck and give it like this. Now it would go darling in a spa basket. There's so many ways you could give this, but whoever gets it, I know they're going to absolutely love it. And it's just adorable with all these darling selvages on it. So that's it. Fast and easy rice bag. You know, if you're going to be making a rice bag, you gotta make it at least cute, because doesn't everybody make a rice bag? I think they do. So make yours cute, make it like a cute hot water bottle, and have fun doing it. And remember, the 2 videos that are gonna be linked down here, well, the one video that tells you how to cut, sew, and work with selvages, and the pattern is going to be linked as well. So, Merry Christmas, because it's honest. Thanksgiving is over and I can officially say that. But until next week, oh, what you got going? See, oh, she's doing some blue.
Selvages there.
Blue, fun, aqua. Anyway, until next week, thank you for checking into my channel. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, you guys know the routine. You want to click subscribe and share it with your friends. Until then, I'll see ya. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Okay. We did something.